So welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English test of oral past question number 57. So we're using the same instruction to answer this question, looking out for the word that contain or where this phonetic symbol, given phonetic symbol feature. The symbol can be best represented in this form. So option A, we have drawn, or sound, or sound. So it is all sound that we have here. The option B, it is pronounced as flank, as sound. Then the N is silent. Take note of that. Then option C, it is pronounced as inch. The option D, it is pronounced as nauseous. The option E is pronounced as reaction. So by this, the correct option is option B, because option B in the transcription has this particular symbol as in the given symbol. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.